Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. So for this, first of all, we just have to go for Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then search for Instagram here. And you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make sure to update the Instagram application. So when there is any update, just make sure to tap on update. Now when you have the latest Instagram version, just open the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, and in here I am going where it says settings, and from here just tap on this privacy. Now I am going to actually enable this first option, private account. So you can see switch to private, just tap on this. This is the first step that you can do. If you do have a private account, then people that are not following you will not be able to see any of your photos. They will just be able to see how many posts and how many followers and how many following you have, but they will not be able to actually go into your profile and see all of your photos or videos, reels. Basically in here they will not be able to do so, they are not following you. But let's say that you actually want to hide like one specific photo or multiple photos from just one specific person, then what you can do is just actually search for that person. So in my case I'm going to search for this account just as an example for this tutorial. So let's say I don't want him to be able to actually go into my profile and see my photos, then I need to come to his like profile right here, click on three dots in the top right corner and then click here where it says block. As you can see, you can block him, and that means that this person will not be able to find me on Instagram and they will not be able to find my photo from that account. So basically this is exactly how to do this. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.